This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your settings menu larger so you can see everything. So you can see mine is set to like larger. So I can go to all settings right here and then scroll on down. And we can go to general and privacy right here. Go to accessibilities. And I have this option on called zoom menu and text. So you can see it makes everything larger. Now you can also back out under here and scroll on down. And there's a section under here where we can make everything larger. So if we go to where it says menu style, we can make the text size larger right here. And then we got transparency. So if you need even larger, just go to accessibilities and you will be good. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.